Hey everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma, and in this video I'll be talking about one great curriculum that you can follow to get access to all the courses of a traditional CS degree for free from colleges like Harvard, MIT, UC Davis, UBC, and many more. The world's best colleges, the best professors. You can learn it online from your home for free, and this one document lays out exactly what courses you need to do, how long will you take to complete the course, what are the prerequisites for these courses, how can you ask for help when you have a doubt in these courses. All of this is covered in this one great resource. So let me show this to you. Make sure that you hit the like button. This would be super valuable to you. I think if I was learning about computer sciences as a beginner, and because I do not have a CS degree, this would be really beneficial for me in guiding me what is it that I need to do step by step. So that's what we'll be taking a look at. This is the GitHub repository called as Computer Science from this organization called as the Open Source Society University. They are doing an amazing job with this. First of all, let's look at the complete curriculum right here. So you have the prerequisites. You need to have information about the prerequisites. If you don't know what prerequisites you need to have, this is what they expect from you. You need to have information first of all about the high school maths, which I believe if you are already done through 11th and 12th, you would already know about that. But basically, if you don't, you can look at this right here: arithmetic, basic geometry, pre-algebra, and high school math 1, 2, 3. This is basically courses available on Khan Academy that you can do for free to learn about all of these basic mathematical concepts, and then we can move ahead. Intro to CS. Now this is going to have the first course as Python for everybody. They have written down the duration, they have written down the effort that it takes, they have written down the prerequisites and the discussion that you can do in the chat forum that they have available to you. And you can start with learning Python. You can follow each of these guides to learn about what is a loop. So they also have videos right here that you can consume and you can start learning about this thing. So first of all, Py4E, loops and iterations. So you can start learning about this right here. Right, so just like that, this is the first course that you should be doing right here. It'll take you 10 weeks. Effort is going to be 10 hours per week. That is why they have 10 weeks. You can also do it sooner if you want to, but that's the first thing that you have in front of you, this course right here. Once you finish this course, then you move on to the next one called as MIT's Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. But basically this is going to be a great course that will take you through the basic concepts of programming. They also have written down what concepts will it be covering. So you'll be learning about computation, about imperative programming, about data structures and algorithms and other things. It'll take you 9 weeks. But once you do these two, you'll be done with the basic intro to CS topics. Then we can move ahead and we can go to core CS. This is where you'll be learning about topics like functional programming, like object-oriented programming. You'll be learning about statically typed languages, dynamically typed languages, program requirements, common design, unit testing, design for testing, and many more concepts right here. So they have these courses available to you: how to code simple data, how to code complex data. So all of these courses are sequentially listed down. So you need to first of all look at the simple data course, which is from UBC, University of British Columbia. By the way, if you are thinking this is on edX, you can still get it for free. I have talked about how to get these courses for free on edX as well as on Coursera, so you can look at that video if you're interested. But more important is the fact that this is available for free. If you want to get the certificate, which isn't of much use, then you can obviously pay for that if you want to, but I would not recommend that. But anyways, let's just go back here. So you have all of these courses that you can do: programming languages part A, programming languages part B, and you can start learning about this. So here you have University of Washington. This is the college, and they have this course by Dan Grossman. And then you obviously have part B of this course. Then of course, if you go here, you'll be having object-oriented design. So if you look at that, that's going to be again a course on Coursera by the University of Alberta. Then of course you have design patterns, then you have software architecture. So you can also see what are the prerequisites for these things, right? For example, you should know basic Java. For example, this course called as object-oriented design has a prerequisite of basic Java. So when you click on this, you get to this free code camp simple video about Java programming. So you can learn about how Java programming really works. Now, if you find it difficult to juggle between your life and your work, it might be a sign that you are trapped to a job that you do not really enjoy. But what can you do about it? Like many things in life, you can change it, right? But why can't we do the same thing with the company that you're working in? You can grab this opportunity with the help of Relevel by by an academy, and you can take the hiring ball in your court. You can attempt the re-level test for free of cost. You can prove your worth, and you can get access to interview opportunities from India's biggest startups like Cred, Meesho, Grow, Upgrad, and many more. You can pick a date and time as per your convenience when you feel the most prepared, and many of these companies are offering packages as high as 15 lakhs per annum. To get selected for recruitment opportunities, you must secure above 70% in your test, complete your re-level profile, and that is how you'll get the chance to interview with some amazing organizations. With re-level, you are skipping the competition in jobs of some of the most sought after companies in the country, and you're sparing yourself from innumerable rejections and numerous other hurdles that you might come across between you and your dream job. If you're still unsure about the test, you should check out Re-Level Achievers on Twitter to understand how the test has helped many people get their dream jobs. So visit relevel.com and register for your test today. The link is in the description. Then of course you have core maths. You need to have basic understanding of discrete maths. So that's why you have this thing. You'll be learning about calculus 1A, that is differentiation. Then you have calculus 1B, integration. So again, this is from MIT right here, MIT Open Learning Library. You can click on this, access on edX, and that way you can get this course from edX. You can get it for free, right? Just log in and just say that you want to audit this course. Calculus 1C, which is about coordinate geometry and infinite series. And after that you have mathematics for computer science, which is again going to be a really important course that you would be doing. Now this course is available on the official OCW website, MIT OCW website. So you can look at these video lectures right here. By the way, if you're getting some value from this video, it would be really amazing if you can hit the like button. Next, you have CS tools. So you can now learn about things like, terminals and shell scripting. You can learn about Vim, command line environments and whatnot with the help of this one course called as the missing semester of your CS education. So this one is again on MIT, and you can go through all of these classes and you can learn about it. Then you have the core systems courses, in which you'll be learning about how to learn about OS. You'll be learning about computer networking. You will learn about the basic logic gates like NAND, and then you'll be building Tetris, and you'll basically be understanding how does basic logic work and how do computers operate. Then after that, you'll be going into core theory. You'll be learning about basic data structures and algorithm topics. So you'll have divide and conquer, sorting, searching, randomized algorithms, and you have graph search, shortest path, data structures, and you have greedy algorithm, minimum spanning trees, dynamic programming, all of these basic topics that are really important for your interview aspect. Then you have core security courses, which will teach you about confidentiality, about integrity, about availability, secure design, or how to create, secure applications. Network security, you'll be learning about this as well. Cryptography, you'll be learning about this. This is a course available on Coursera that you can take for free. Then you have core applications that you can look at. Then you'll be learning about databases, relational databases, as well as SQL. Then you have semi-instructed data, machine learning, computer graphics, and software engineering and introduction. Then you go to the advanced CS concepts that you can see over here, where you'll be learning about parallel programming, about compilers, the more lower level stuff you'll be learning. But then you can look at advanced systems. You can learn about digital circuits, about computer architecture, about computer organization. I have a couple of these courses in my semester as well right now when I'm in third year of college. Then you have advanced theory right here. These three courses will help you understand about the more theoretical concepts of CS. Right here you have theory of computation. Then you have one course on game theory and one on computational geometry, so you can look at that as well. Then you have advanced math. You can look at this if you are interested. You can learn about probability and stuff. And after that, you have this final project that is going to be really crucial for whatever you have learned so far. It's really important to build something. They have a bunch of courses that will teach you about the next steps. So you can learn about cloud computing, IoT, big data, data mining, full stack development. You can do that as well. Then you have data science, functional programming in Scala. Then you have game design and development. Again, all of these are full-fledged courses that are available for free for you to take. As you can see, Brian Wynn is the instructor, and this is the course that you have from the university from the Michigan State University right here, as you can see. But that's going to be pretty much it. This is the whole list of things that you need to follow. They also have this one sheet that you can look at, which will give you an idea of, if you're starting today, how much longer will it take for you to complete all the courses in this particular curriculum right here. Then you have the curriculum data. Again, you can get a complete glance at what all courses you have, what topic do they have, then the duration for each course, the effort that you will have to put in, and all these things you can look at with the help of this sheet that they have available in this GitHub repository. This is the path of the self-taught developer that you can pursue, and you can learn all of these things for free. All you really need is a motivation, a desire to keep going and complete all of these courses right here mentioned in this one curriculum. And that is how you'll be able to become a great self-taught developer and get those remote jobs that we've been talking about in the past couple of videos. So they have this board that you can follow. You can copy this board, Trello board, and you can start managing all of this, because again they have multiple courses, so you can create this as your one place to track your progress, right? So you have this first course, Python for Everyone. Here is the link for the course, and then you can just keep going through all of these. You can just click here, what courses are you doing right now and what courses are completely done by you. I cannot tell you how bad I felt when I was not getting the CS degree in BITS, but then I realized that I can get access to all of these courses by colleges that are even better than my personal college. Then I can do some great things. So this is going to be a great opportunity for you to learn from some of the best lecturers, from some of the best professors, from some of the best colleges. So do take a look at this thing. The link for this is again going to be in the description. Do utilize this as much as you can, and let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? Please share this with your friends, tell them about this great curriculum that you can follow and build a project at the end of the day. That is going to be all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still watching, just say I watched till the very end, and that's going to be it. You can follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of other really informative content, and you can check out Relevel with a link in the description if you want to get access to opportunities. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.